Did you know it rains diamonds on Saturn? Saturn is huge, a gas giant made mostly of hydrogen and helium. Unlike Earth, there's no solid ground, just thick gas. Inside storms, lightning strikes smash carbon into diamonds. Diamonds rain down, but they're super heavy. Pressure pushes diamonds toward Saturn's core. Saturn's winds are crazy fast, up to 1,800 kilometers per hour. Scientists study these storms to understand Saturn's core. Cassini spacecraft gave us amazing photos of the rings and storms. Some diamonds may be as small as a grain of sand, others as big as a mountain. Imagine clouds raining sparkling diamonds, lightning everywhere. It's not just beautiful, it helps scientists learn about giant planets. Space is full of surprises, and Saturn definitely sparkles. Subscribe for more space facts.